So our goal when we plot this polar coordinate is to plot the radius on this angle. Now eventually I'm going to show you how you can do it in multiple ways or have multiple representations of that same point. So pi force is a 45-degree angle, which is right here. What I want to know is what is the radius of 3. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 circles deep, and that's where I would plot 3 pi force. This next one, let's look at 30 degrees. 30 degrees is right here. But I want -2 on the 30 degrees. So if this is the origin, this is the positive, and this would be the negative. So 30 degrees in the negative direction is this point right here. Now, how else could I possibly list that point? Well, I could change the angle. This angle right here is an angle of 210 degrees. So if they change the angle to 210 degrees, then this becomes the positive direction, and this point would be positive 210 degrees. Those are the same pieces. Now let's try this next one. -60 degrees. So -60 degrees would be this angle right here, because in this direction is -60 degrees. And I want to go 5 in that positive direction. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's my point. Well, how else could I write that point? Well, I could say, what is this entire angle? Well, that entire angle is -60 plus 360, which is 300. So I could also write this is 300 degrees with a positive 5. Can you think of one other way you could change this point but still have it be this point right there? Another way to do it is, let's go ahead and extend this angle right here. And in the positive direction, that angle is 120. So I can say, okay, at 120 degrees, that would be +1, +2, +3, +4, +5. But once I cross the origin the other direction, this would be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So there's a third way you can find that same point.